Guess what, man? The greatest coach of all, right over here. But who's the fastest chef?
The man in the pan.
Okay, big chaka, big chaka. Hey, guess what, man? I got two beautiful girls from Oahu. But who's the fastest chef?
Man in the pan!
Big chaka, the man in the pan! Hey, guess what, Hilo? Here's my friends. 1991 was a good year. But who's the fastest chef?
Man in the pan!
Big sucker of man in the pan! Awesome! Hey, guess what? Here's the greatest person of all, Yoi. And she's from Honolulu. She's so awesome. But who's the fastest chef?
Man in the pan.
Okay, big sucker of man in the pan. Awesome! Hey, guess what? It's a beautiful day with beautiful girls. This Aloha Maid and Miss Cha, right? But who's the fastest chef?
Man in the pan.
Big chocolate man in the pan. Awesome. Welcome to the man and the pan. Today I'm going to do something really exciting for you. I'm going to make mochi sweet potato. If you don't have leftover sweet potato, all you do is bake or boil to make 3 cups of sweet potato. Smash it all up and I put in 1 cup of sugar, 1 cup of water, and 1 whole box of mochiko. And I mixed it all up, made it into patties, and I'm frying it right here, right? Look at this. Perfect. Okay? Thing is all about done, so turn off the fire. Okay. Turn off the fire. And there you go. Sweet potato mochi. You gotta eat it when it's not really hot. You're gonna have a real better food flavor. So I'll eat the ones that I cooked earlier. Okay? Sweet potato mochi. Deep fried mochi. It looks really good, but let's see how it tastes. Oh! 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 It is so awesome. Wow. The problem with this, once you start, your hard time stop. Okay? So we'll see you next week on another Man and the Pan. Aloha. Now, don't forget to enter to win this pan in our giveaway. You find our giveaway posts on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, or go to KTASuperstores.com/promotions for details. But again, don't forget, we've selected 5 guests to be part of the Man in the Pan from all of your 70 winners. We'll see you. Aloha. Good luck. Please enter.